The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the distinction between using interpolation versus extrapolation for estimating unknown data values. So we're using one example to compare these two methods. So the percentage of children between the ages of 4 and 6 enrolled in full-day kindergarten programs in the United States is given by the following table. So we have years and percentage of children for the columns. Years is the independent variable, percentage is a dependent variable. So interpolation would be used to find the unknown data value between two known data values. So if we want to estimate the percentage of children enrolled in 2017, we're given 2016 and 2018. So we can use interpolation to find 2017, which would be an unknown data value between the known years 2016 and 2018. First, we would find the average rate of change on the interval 2016 to 2018, the average rate of change for those known years. So average rate of change is the change in the percentages divided by the change in the years. Percentages per year. We want to know percentage enrolled per year. So the change in percent for those 2 years is 80 and 77, the change between those two numbers. And the years were 2018 and 2016. So we simplify, get 3 over 2, which simplifies to 1.5% enrolled per year. So this is our average rate of change over the interval 2016 to 2018. So we can use interpolation to estimate the percentage in 2017 with this average rate of change. So the percentage enrolled in 2017 would be the percentage enrolled in that initial year, 2016, plus the years between 2016 and 2017. The years between the initial year and the unknown between year, unknown between data value, times the average rate of change. This is going to give us the percentage enrolled in 2017. This is doing interpolation. So 77 is the percentage in 2016 plus 1 year between 2016 and 2017 times the average rate of change. So that's 77 plus 1.5, which equals 78.5% children enrolled in 2017. So that's interpolation. We can kind of look at this in general if the time is given in years to find the unknown data value between known data values. This is kind of like a formula for interpolation. For interpolation, we're finding an unknown data value that's between known data values. So we would start with the initial year of the data values that we know, add the years that are between the initial year and that between unknown year. Then we would multiply by the average rate of change. This is how we would interpolate to find the unknown data value between the known data values. What about extrapolation? So extrapolation is used to find unknown data values that are beyond known values. Interpolation was between known values. Extrapolation is beyond known values. So we might use extrapolation if we want to estimate the percentage of children in 2020, which would be a year that's beyond the years in our table. So we would use the average rate of change from the 2 years in our data table that are closest to 2020. Those years are 2016 and 2018, and we already found the average rate of change to be 1.5 for those years. So this is the average rate of change that we'll use in our extrapolation. So using extrapolation, we can estimate the percentage enrollment in 2020 with our average rate of change of 1.5. Basically, the percentage enrolled in 2020 would be the percentage enrolled in 2018 plus the years between 2018 and 2020 times the average rate of change. So the percentage enrolled in 2020 would equal 80, which is the percentage enrolled in 2018, plus the years between 2018 and 2020 is 2 years, times the average rate of change, which was 1.5. So we would have 80 plus 3, because 2 times 1.5 is 3, equals 83% enrolled in 2020. So by extrapolation, we've estimated the percentage enrolled for a year that's beyond the given years. So in general, if we're trying to extrapolate and the time is in terms of years, then the unknown data value that's beyond the known data values is the nearest year to the unknown year, plus the years between the nearest year and that beyond unknown year, times the average rate of change. This would give us the data value for that beyond year. So again, interpolation is finding an unknown data value that's between known data values, and extrapolation is using data that's known data to estimate an unknown data value that's beyond the known data.